हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। होप आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे एंड यू आर इन बेस्ट ऑफ योर हेल्थ। न्यू ईयर इज अप्रोचिंग। Wishing you all guys a very merry Christmas. So in today's video, we'll make you an introduction to our one of our latest indicator, which is based on time cycles. Now time cycles plays a very vital role, and as we have seen, based on both Gann and Gann price and time levels, you can capture some decent movements in market. So based on that, we have been, working a lot on this indicator from last 1.5 years. Finally, and it looks like what we were trying to achieve, we were able to achieve. So what this indicator does is, it gives you the time cycles for any instrument of your choice. You have to go to the daily chart, click on this Gann Absolute Scanner. This is a proprietary indicator. You will not see it in, in TradingView. So this is just for, invite only participants. So if you are interested, you can share your TradingView ID in the comment section. We'll try to enable the indicator for you for 2 days. So what this indicator does is it will automatically find a, first let me show you the settings. So it can select from a low, high or both low and high. Look back range, you can define whatever we have defined 300 days based on this particular time cycles what we are using. And even if you are interested in finding, from your, for a backtesting purpose from a manual high and low, that also can be selected. And look back window, it is a scanner. It will tell you how many days the time cycles are coming. And we have applied calculation mode also. So if it is a trading day or a calendar day, and max this harmonic cycle says basically, if suppose it is very like for a USD INR, when the time cycles are very small. So this will help us in finding the time cycles also. So you can apply that harmonic scanner also, and you can, it will ask you to show the past cycles, and it will show you the text color and whatever, like you want a solid line, you can do that. Now let's first apply. So first I'll show it from the high. What it will do is it will automatically identify a major high, and from there it will give you the time cycle. So 90-degree time cycle came here, and after that we had a perfect reversal and we had a good move. So basically what happens is, to find a stock, it becomes quite difficult. So if I go to IIFL Finance, it will automatically adjust the swing high and it will give you the time cycles. And you can backtest also, yeah, are they really working or not? PNB Housing, right? So see here, automatically it selects its swing high, and based on that, see from 90 we had a big move, 120 a small fall, 144 a perfect reversal. Again, a very good reversal from 180 days. And the next time cycle is on 11th of January. And you can see here, this is, after 17 days. So on 12th, the time cycle is coming. If it is probably 11th might be a trading holiday. Yeah, it was a Sunday. So this also we have done it. So if you go to January month, sorry, this. So January, you see 11th was a Sunday. So that is why the time cycle is automatically coming on 12th. 11th is there, but the line is coming on 12th. The reason for that, because it's not a trading day. Similarly, if I go here and if I select low only, the time cycles will come from the low. So it will automatically identify the low, and from there we had very good. See here, before this fall, which we saw in Mannapuram, this was the time cycle date. So it becomes practically visible. You don't have to go anywhere. Uh, you know, going between Excel and all that. And here, if I add my Precision Jones also, this is a perfect price and time squaring. So you can plan your trade accordingly and make your bigger targets. So, and if I select both high and low, so it will give me both the cycles together. And you can see whenever both cycles are confluencing, you might see a bigger move. So if you miss a suppose you miss this cycle, so the next cycle date is coming based on how it was on this day, 8 September. But before that, you were able to capture this low and able to write this move. And you can see, and here also, like we have applied calendar days. Suppose at times some stocks gives very good results on trading days. So that also we can, like for this, I think trading days is not working better. But let's go for Hindustan Zinc per se. Hindustan Zinc, the high and low both are selected, and from there you can see some decent moves are coming on trading days. So this also we can backtest. I generally prefer calendar days, but at times now see 288 days is coming on 29th December. So this can be a potential turning point for this stock. And if you apply this precision zone, Yeah, price is near this, so probably on 288 day when it is coming, if it breaks 620, then we can see a fall towards 580. So this is how we can use this. And let me suppose you want to do back testing. Yeah, we made a major top here on 22nd May 24. So go here, go to manual override, uh, 22nd May. What is the date? 22nd May 2024. So go here, 2024 May 22nd, and this one we can just remove it and click OK. OK. And then apply this indicator. Okay, so 22nd might be a holiday, so we have to select here one day before. So 21st. Or what you can do is you can just manually adjust it here. Yep. And now what is the next date coming? So you can see here from this date, the important, time cycle dates which are coming, it is automatically giving us. And based on that, you can see whether on this particular instrument, these cycles really work or not work. So that is how you can use it. 720 will come. So this is how you can use it from major high, major low using manual override also. So yeah, that's about it. So let's look it out for Nifty. And if you are selecting Nifty absolute scanner, make sure this manual override is unchecked. So it will automatically select, see it automatically select this low, this high. And the next time cycle date coming for Nifty is this date, which is 29th December. 27th is the exact date, but that being a trading holiday, so 29th is the next date, and the next data from the low, it is on 2nd January. So this heat, this data table will automatically let us know. So if you have a set of indicators, just apply this and see which stocks are coming next, and based on see third. So this is MCX. So MCX is also getting on 28/12. So that way you can plan your trade and you can know, okay, which stocks are coming nearby. Second, you got it on Nifty. This we have already discussed. So this will help you in planning. Yeah, this is zero, which is Indus India Bank. So Indus India Bank is on 25th, which is a holiday. So 26th December will be an important day for Indus India Bank. So yeah, that's about it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined.